Want to protect the battery health of your Samsung Galaxy S26 or S26 Ultra by stopping it from charging all the way to 100%? Don't worry, here's how to limit charging to 80% and help your battery last longer. Open Settings. Then scroll down and find Battery option. In the Battery section, scroll a bit again and go to Battery Protection. Toggled on first, and you'll see three options. Basic pauses, charging once the battery is full. Adaptive, learns your routine and finishes charging closer to when you wake up. And Maximum stops charging at 80%, which is the best option for battery health. So choose Maximum, which can help your battery last longer over time. If you want, you can also add battery protection to your Quick Settings panel. So open Quick Panel, then tap the Edit icon. Tap Add a control and scroll until you find Battery Protection. Select it, then tap Done to add your shortcuts. Now, you can turn the 80% limit on or off anytime, and that's it. If this helped, stay with Fix 369.